Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our vlog. I hope you're all feeling well and doing well. When I'm filming this, it is Saturday, June 26th, 27th, Saturday, June 27th. I look a little funny because I don't have my glasses on right now, and I'm just putting a little bit of light makeup on because we're going to the beach today. We've got a family party to go to, and just gonna get together with some family we haven't seen in a while. So I'm in my bathroom doing my makeup while Zach gets the girls some breakfast, and they're watching Blippi. Any other kids like Blippi out there? They really love it. So yeah, I'm just doing some light eye makeup. And I'm not going to do foundation or anything heavy on my face because, again, we are going to be outside all day. So, yeah, come along with us for our day. I thought I would show you the bronzer that I'm going to use. It's just this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Illuminating Palette. And I'll use this gold side for some bronzer and some contour, and then that's pretty much going to be it. And I'll finish with this Wet n Wild, see if it lets me, nope, Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose. It's a primer, a fixer, and a refresher. So I used it before everything, and then when I'm done with my contour and bronzer, then I'll finish it off too with that. So I also thought I would show you what I'm going to be wearing today. I am just going to wear a swimsuit top for a bra. This is an older top that I have, just in case I do get wet, then at least one of my bras doesn't get ruined. And then I'll just be wearing this racerback black tank top. This is, I believe, from Walmart. Again, it's just a black tank top. And then these are also Walmart, so the shorts that I'll be wearing, the Time and True brand, it's like a corally orangey color. Alright, we are just about ready to go. A little behind schedule, but we got the girls. We got some lawn chairs and some floaties here for the babies. Got our wagon, a pack and play in case we need to put Everly down for a bit. Got our cooler with some adult and kid beverages in it, and extra swimsuits and sunscreen and towels. I think we're just about ready to go.
Close my door.
Yep, I'll come close your door. Are you excited?
Yeah, I want to go to the beach now.
Woohoo!
I got some sunglasses, and now we got some sunglasses.
Oh, perfect.
Don't stand on the barrel. So for $16, you could have got
Boo.
a ball launcher, like a stick, and you fling it, and it would.
Oh yeah,
throw a
the
ball.
plastic like you feel for dogs, right?
For $19, you could get that one. So we got that one instead.
Is that Nerf?
Yeah, it's literally called the Nerf dog.
Oh, so it is
a
for
dog
throw.
throw.
Oh,
Yeah.
it is. Big spring in there that just pushes it on.
Or I can go get dressed in the lunch.
How was your lunch?
Yum. Did you think I was gonna say yuck?
No, I'm glad you liked it.
I love her hat.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Let's go get your swimsuit on.
Let's go get my swimsuit. Ah. You think? Should we go in this one?
I don't think we can. I think we have to go in this one over here.
Is this one? I can just get dressed.
No, somebody might come out the door though and hit you. Look at that. All in your swimsuit.
I'm excited because it's a dream come true. Dream come true. Dream come Are you having fun?
Mm-hmm. I'm getting kind of warm though. I'm excited to go down to the water.
So you can cool off.
Yep. See, we got our blow-ups here.
I got my.
We got
my
a full car to go down there, don't we?
I got my noodle.
Everly,
I got my noodle.
are you excited to go in the water?
I got my noodle.
Yeah.
I got my noodle.
So we are finally down at the water. There's lots and lots of people here. It's like 85 degrees out today and perfectly sunny. So Everly's in her little floaty and Kennedy's not really enjoying the water, but we'll get her there. Super, super perfect Saturday. Hey everyone, and it is a little bit later now. It's actually 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so we spent a good 4 hours out at the lake today, and I'll admit towards the end there I was getting ready to be done with the sun, but overall it was a really nice time spending time with Zach's side of the family. And now we just only in the car for about 10 minutes, and now we're at Home Depot. It is I think Home Depot is nationwide.
Yeah, I think so too.
It's a home improvement store. So we're gonna go inside and look to see if we can find some paint. I will have to update you guys once we get home, but our drywall is done. So that is really exciting to have that checked off the list.
Sanded and all the drywall's done, ready to paint.
Yes, ready to paint. So we're gonna go inside and look for that. Wish us luck. We have two very sleepy, tired girls with us. Oh, and hungry too, so.
And Kennedy and Everly.
That too. We have made it home. Thank goodness. We got all of our paint from Home Depot and the girls did really well in there. And on our way home, the girls were sleeping, so we stopped and got some caribou. I just got myself a large cold brew with heavy cream and sugar-free vanilla, of course. I needed a pick-me-up because, again, I was so just wiped out from all the sunshine. But anyways, we're home. Zach just unpacked everything while I've been inside hanging out with the girls. And I think I'm just gonna throw some chicken nuggets in the oven for supper because I do not feel like cooking anything. And then we had gotten a lot of fruit today for our gathering. So I have a big tub of watermelon and blueberries. And we also have some strawberries. So I'm gonna start cutting these up and getting the chicken nuggets in the oven. So while the family eats their chicken nuggets, I'm gonna come out here and show you guys the pool that we got. It's just one of those like 10-foot long blue and white blow up pools. They're like $30 at Walmart. I'm gonna turn on the water here first. We started filling it up before we left for the beach today. So let's go check it out. We did have one last year too, but we did not do a good job putting it away in the garage, so it really got torn up, so we had to buy a new one. But we just put this tarp over it. Here, let me turn you around. Zach just put this tarp over it. That's really difficult. Oh my gosh. Take off. What?
Only pull that side of the tarp up. We'll leave this side down so it doesn't blow away.
Okay. So I don't know if you heard him, but he said to just pull this side up and pull it over that way. Honestly, it's probably full enough if Everly's gonna go in again. So I'm gonna turn the water off here. And we'll let that be that. So, alright, that's done. Let's go inside and finish supper. I was also gonna mention that in addition to paint and paint supplies from Home Depot, we also picked up, I got a little sidetracked. We got these wooden letters, and I was thinking it'd be a fun project for Kennedy and I to work on next week while daycare's closed all week for Everly. So Everly will be home, and I'm sure we'll need something to keep us occupied. So I got a K and I got an E. I thought we could paint them and decorate them and put them on the girls' doors. I see other families with that, and I always think it's so cute. So now we can do it. Yeah. What do you think? How was your supper? Right, I gotta go quick because we've got some Luke Bryan playing in the background, but I've got my Truly. We got our pool out. I'm in the pool now. Look at that. That feels good. Watching you, girl. So it's the end of the night now, and I am in my bedroom helping Kennedy get a show set up for her. It's about 7:15, and I'm gonna let her watch a little something here. So she's gonna watch something. I think I'm gonna go in the living room and also turn something on just to relax a little bit. Everly's down to sleep, and Kennedy and I had a bath, and now Zach is downstairs cleaning off the drywall. It's really dusty after they finish it, so he's doing that so that we can get ready to paint tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for coming along today. I hope you had a great time with us. We'll see you in the next vlog. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.